Hey guys, today we've got a 2007 ML63 AMG. This is the M156 engine. Customer came in with codes running lean on both banks. So 2095, 2091, 0745. This one sometimes has intake manifold leaks. So I smoked it and I couldn't find any leaks coming from the intake manifold. I did find a small little hole behind the oil dipstick. I don't know, I've never seen this before. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there, but I saw a little smoke coming out of there. Anyway, it also has a known problem with a PCV valve, the positive crankcase ventilation valve, which is behind the snorkel there. So one way that you can check really quickly is if you've got excess vacuum at the oil dipstick. So I'm going to turn the engine on, and then we're going to put our finger over the dipstick and see if there's a lot of suction there. Okay, if there's a lot of suction, you've got a bad PCV valve. It's not closing. That's going to be your problem. All right. Really noisy. Really noisy. Sorry if you can't hear me. But I'm just going to remove the oil dipstick and put my finger over the tube. I don't know if you can hear that. Already a lot of suction there. Take this out. And I'm just going to put my finger over the hole here. Quite a bit of suction there. Really loud. Let me turn this engine off. I'm going to go after this PCV valve. I'm just going to take off the air intakes, the snorkel, and I'll probably remove this cover right here so I can gain access a little easier. I was able to pull out the valve without removing the intake manifold. The WIS, or workshop instructions from Mercedes-Benz, you got to take out the manifold, and it definitely would be a lot easier to take it out with the manifold out, but that's maybe another hour and a half to get the manifold out. So it took me about 30 minutes, but I was able to get it out. It's way back here. It sits way down behind here and plugs in right there. See? This pipe here, that big pipe right there, it was difficult to get it out because of this pipe. If that pipe wasn't there, it would have been a lot easier. It connects down there, and it, on the top side, it just screws right in here with a T30. That was easy, but down here's the difficult part. Anyway, I got the PCV valve out and I opened it up just to check it, and there you go. So yeah, this was together like this. This is together like this, and this is a new one here. This one I'm gonna replace it with. So there's the problem. See that there? That's not supposed to be like that. There's not supposed to be a hole in there. That little flap prevents the crankcase pressure from getting into the crankcase, you know, and that's why you had suction. Yesterday's video I showed that when we lifted this up when the car was on, there was a lot of extra suction here, heavy suction here, and that's not supposed to be happening. So this is the reason. A hole right in the middle of the this little flap, this little rubber flap, that's supposed to be one whole piece. In some cases, this little flap breaks off of the hook here. I've seen that before too, but this time it just made a hole right through the center. I guess there's a piece of rubber in the crankcase someplace. So this is what it's supposed to look like. All right, so that's it. Just wanted to give the update. I'm going to put this back together and hopefully our problems are solved.